track. And the race on Scara, fast to begin, Balinganda, Sir Frederick, stand by your man in the middle. Running by the rail, Senor G, alongside is Tiger Riffic. Rounding the far turn, Sir Frederick, the leader. Balinganda, Tiger Riffic on the outside. And also moving up, stand by your man, silent operator, blowing hat. Rounding the far turn, Sir Frederick, Tiger Rivik, stand by your man. Is Carabaling, ganda in the middle, silent operator, blowing hat, and Fabiola. As they race the final corner, Tiger Rivik from the outside, and Baling, ganda in the middle, blowing hat, also rushing up. It's now blowing hot, the leader, followed by Tiger, Rivik, Carab, Sir Frederick, stand by your man, Fabiola, and finally blowing hot. Tiger Rivik, Sir Frederick, Iscarab, and Fabiola for your Fantafecta.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only third choice.